Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log into Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to download the Spotify from Play Store and also have to sign up. If you have done that already, let's get into login process. Now, we need to click on Spotify app. Now, click on login. Now we need to type our email address. Now type your password. So when you are done, click on login. So our Spotify is open now. Now we need to click on home and we can see our Spotify interface. So this is all. So this is how we can log into Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.